Hey, is your make.com scenario not running, like it's just sitting there and doing nothing? Yeah, that can be super frustrating, especially if your automation is important. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. All right. First, make sure your scenario is actually turned on. This sounds basic, but yeah, it's easy to miss. Next, check the scheduling settings. If it's set to run manually or at a specific time, it won't trigger automatically. Set it to run at regular intervals if you want it fully automated. Now, click Run Once to test it. This helps you see if there's an error stopping it. If it fails, check the error message. Yeah, Make usually tells you exactly what went wrong. Look for things like missing data, invalid fields, or failed connections. Another big one, expired connections. If your app connection expires, the scenario won't run. So just reconnect your accounts and try again. Also, check your trigger module. If the trigger isn't receiving data, the scenario won't start. Make sure it's properly set up and actually getting input. Okay? One more thing, check your operation limits. If you've hit your plan limit, scenarios will stop running. And finally, save your scenario and turn it off, then back on again. Yeah, sometimes that refresh fixes things, and yeah, that's it. One of these fixes should get your make.com scenario running again. Just go step by step, and your automation should be back up in no time. Hey,